Okay, let's go through what you're going to need. Definitely garlic butter. Now with the garlic butter, you've got to melt it down, right? So, but don't melt it down where it's hot. It's got to be like melted so it can pour out easily. Black pepper, right? Everybody's got to have black pepper. And all-purpose seasoning. That's all I use, and it tastes great. The other thing you're going to need is him. Well, won't be a her. That could be a problem, eh? Now, I'll sort him out later, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it once I've got it sorted. The other thing you need to look at is this. You'll need this, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, he is ready to go, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. Righto, see these? This is why you need these. And you thought I was going to do this. It doesn't work, I've tried. So, it's this. So what you need to do is just... Jeez, tough fucker. Break the shell all the way through. Right, there we go. Break these. This is one tough crab. Right, and it'll seep through. Once you've done that... Righto, next phase. All seasons. Oops, the other way around. Look at that. All seasons, yep. Now, I always put this on first. And the reason I do that is the garlic butter. The garlic butter will catch some of it and take it into the meat. Go away, fly. Righto. So, next bit is this. Pour it in there. Right. Pour it over the flesh. Don't be afraid. Right. And then what I do next is I'll add, say, 100 ml of water, which I haven't got, so it's just water. So put it in the cup, and once you've done that, just pour it down the side here, not over the, just water. The reason I want the water is to create a steam, yeah? Anyway, next phase. Okay, moving on to the tin foiling component of it. Rip it over to my trusty old oven. Now I normally wait until it gets up to 350. Once it gets to there, open the lid, stand back because you think, what the hell? Put it on the hot plate, close the lid, and wait exactly 13 minutes. I'll be back in 13 minutes. Great thing about barbecue is you can sit outside, have a couple of cold beers, and just smell the aroma coming from it. Now I'm 6 minutes in, and I can smell that crab and the seasonings. It is mint. Can't wait. 7 minutes to go. Okie dokie. We're out of the barbie. Exactly 12 minutes. Let's see what she looks like. I can smell it. It's a shame. It's a shame you can't get, although there are some people out there that might sing something different. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh yeah. That doesn't half look too bad at all. Look at the size, look at the meat.